Welcome, and thank you all so much for joining the 2024 IonTuition Student Loan Workshop. My name
A little bit from the poll and how familiar you guys are with income-driven repayment plans. It's important that we understand what an income-driven repayment plan is and what it actually stands for. Function was currently put into place to block the SAVE plan. So we're not going to really hear any decision on the SAVE plan on if it's a good application. So you go on studentaid.gov, you download the PDF form, and you fill it out, and you either upload it, mail it, fax it.
This is going to be your dashboard, which kind of gives you that all-in aggregate view of where your student loan status is currently at. So you'll see that this individual for the demo is in repayment, which is certain.
Question number 1, should I apply for PSLF before enrolling in SAVE? So in order for you to be a